SAP SD Sales and Distribution Online Training. Introduction to SAP Sales and Distribution SD. SAP Sales and Distribution SD is a vital module in the SAP ERP Enterprise Resource Planning system that deals with various aspects of sales, distribution, and customer-related processes in an organization. It enables businesses to manage their sales processes efficiently, from creating sales orders to delivering products to customers and handling billing and invoicing. The SAP SD module plays a crucial role in ensuring seamless coordination between different departments, streamlining business operations, and providing excellent customer service. SAP SD Organizational Structure. The organizational structure in SAP SD is designed to reflect the real-world structure of a company. It consists of several key elements. Sales organization. This represents the sales department within the company and is responsible for selling products and services to customers. It is at the top level of the SD organizational structure. Distribution channel. This element represents the different channels through which products and services are distributed to customers. Common distribution channels include wholesale, retail, and direct sales. Division. A division is used to categorize products or services based on certain characteristics such as product lines or business units. Sales area. A sales area is a combination of a sales organization, distribution channel, and division. It is a unique combination that determines the sales process and is used to link sales transactions to specific areas within the organization. Master data in SAP SD. Master data in SAP SD is essential information that remains relatively unchanged and is used across various business processes. The three primary types of master data in SAP SD are: Customer master data. Customer master data contains information about customers, such as their names, addresses, contact details, payment terms, credit limits, and sales history. It is crucial for managing customer interactions and sales activities. Material master data. Material master data contains information about products and services that a company sells. It includes details like material descriptions, units of measure, pricing, and inventory information. Proper management of material master data ensures accurate order processing and inventory management. Condition master data. Condition master data includes pricing and discount information. It defines the various pricing elements, discounts, and surcharges applicable to different customers, products, or specific sales scenarios. Sales order processing. Sales order processing is a critical part of the SAP SD module. It involves various steps to execute a customer's request for purchasing goods or services from the company. The key steps in sales order processing are: creating sales orders. Sales orders are created based on customer inquiries, quotations, or directly from customer requests. They include details such as the customer's name, product quantities, delivery dates, pricing conditions, and payment terms. Availability check and ATP, available to promise. Before confirming a sales order, an availability check is performed to ensure that the ordered products are in stock or can be delivered within the requested time frame. The ATP process determines product availability based on existing stock, incoming deliveries, and production schedules. Pricing and discounts. The system calculates the pricing for the products in the sales order based on the condition master data, considering factors such as quantity, customer-specific pricing, and discounts. Credit management. Credit management involves evaluating the customer's creditworthiness and determining if they can be allowed to purchase on credit. This step helps minimize the risk of bad debt and late payments. Delivery and shipping processes. The delivery and shipping processes in SAP SD encompass the steps required to fulfill a customer's order and deliver the products to their specified location. The primary stages include outbound delivery creation. An outbound delivery document is generated once the products are ready to be shipped. It contains information about the ordered items, their quantities, shipping details, and delivery dates. Picking and packing. Picking is the process of selecting the products from the warehouse shelves, while packing involves preparing the items for shipment, including packaging and labeling. Goods issue and shipment. During goods issues, the system updates the inventory and reduces the stock levels. The shipment process involves creating shipping documents and notifying the shipping carrier. Billing and invoicing. Billing and invoicing are the final stages in the sales process, where the customer is charged for the delivered goods or services. The key aspects of this stage include billing document creation. A billing document is generated based on the delivery and includes the details of the products delivered, prices, taxes, and payment terms. It serves as an invoice to the customer. Invoice correction and cancellation. If there are any errors in the billing document, corrections or cancellations can be performed to issue a corrected invoice or reverse the transaction. Credit memo processing. In cases of product returns or price adjustments, credit memos are issued to refund the customer or provide them with credit for future purchases. Returns and complaints handling. Handling returns and managing customer complaints is an essential part of customer service and maintaining customer satisfaction. The key steps in this process are return order processing. When a customer requests to return products, a return order is created to manage the return process, including product inspection, replacement, or refund. Handling customer complaints. Customer complaints are managed through a structured process that involves logging and investigating the complaints, providing resolutions, and ensuring customer feedback is considered for process improvement. Intercompany sales and third-party sales. Intercompany sales process. Intercompany sales occur when a company's divisions or subsidiaries sell products or services to each other. The intercompany sales process ensures that the selling division records the revenue, while the buying division records the expense. The key steps in the intercompany sales process include creating a sales order in the selling company code, transferring the order to the buying company code, delivering the products from the selling company's stock, and then billing the buying company. Third-party sales process. In a third-party sales process, a company sells products to a customer without physically handling the goods. Instead, the goods are directly shipped from the manufacturer or a third-party vendor to the end customer. The selling company acts as an intermediary and earns a profit margin without holding the inventory. The key steps in the third-party sales process involve creating a sales order for the customer, creating a purchase order with the third-party vendor, and coordinating the delivery and billing processes. Consignment and stock transfer. Consignment process. The consignment process involves sending products to a customer's location, but the ownership of the goods remains with the selling company until they are consumed or sold by the customer. The customer only pays for the goods they use, and the selling company can retrieve any unsold items. The consignment process helps manage inventory at the customer's site while maintaining control and ownership. It includes steps such as consignment fill-up, consumption, and settlement. Stock transfer process. The stock transfer process allows the movement of goods between different plants or storage locations within the same company code. This process is used when a company needs to balance inventory levels across various locations or when goods are required for production at a different plant. It involves creating stock transport orders, delivering the goods, and updating inventory records. SAP SD reports and analytics. Sales analysis reports. SAP SD provides various sales analysis reports that offer insights into sales performance. Some common sales analysis reports include sales order analysis, sales volume analysis, sales revenue analysis, top-selling products analysis, and customer-wise sales analysis. These reports help management make informed decisions, identify trends, and focus on areas that need improvement. Revenue and profitability analysis. Revenue and profitability analysis reports in SAP SD help companies understand their sales revenue and associated costs to calculate profitability. These reports can be analyzed at various levels, such as product categories, sales regions, or customer segments, to assess the profitability of different business areas. Sales document types and document flow. Sales document types in SAP SD define the different types of sales transactions that a company can process, such as standard sales orders, rush orders, returns, and consignment fill-up. Each sales document type is configured with specific attributes, such as number range, allowed item categories, and account assignment settings. The document flow in SAP SD allows users to track the various documents related to a sales transaction in chronological order. It enables users to navigate through linked documents, such as sales orders, deliveries, billing documents, and subsequent returns, providing a comprehensive overview of the entire sales process. SAP SD integration with other modules. Integration with SAP Materials Management. SAP SD is closely integrated with SAP which manages materials procurement and inventory management. The integration ensures that the availability of materials in is considered during the sales order process. When a sales order is created, SAP SD checks the material availability in SAP to confirm whether the ordered products can be delivered on time. Integration with SAP FE, Financial Accounting. Integration with SAP FE ensures that all financial aspects of sales transactions are properly recorded. When a billing document is created in SAP SD, the relevant accounting entries are automatically generated in SAP FE. This integration streamlines the financial reporting process and ensures accurate accounting. SAP SD customization and configuration. Sales document types customization. Customizing sales document types in SAP SD involves defining various attributes and behaviors specific to each type of sales document. This customization includes defining document number ranges, assigning item categories, setting copy controls between different document types, and configuring relevant partner determination procedures. Pricing procedure configuration. Pricing procedures in SAP SD determine how pricing conditions, such as discounts, taxes, and surcharges, are calculated for sales orders. The customization involves defining the sequence of condition types, condition tables, access sequences, and pricing rules. It allows companies to implement complex pricing structures based on various criteria. SAP SD in the digital age, e-commerce and SAP SD. In the digital age, e-commerce has become a significant channel for businesses to reach customers and conduct sales. SAP SD can be integrated with e-commerce platforms, allowing companies to manage online sales seamlessly. E-commerce integration with SAP SD ensures that orders from online channels are synchronized with the SAP system, enabling efficient order processing, inventory management, and customer service. Best practices for SAP SD implementation and optimization. Implementing and optimizing SAP SD requires careful planning and adherence to best practices. Some best practices for SAP SD implementation and optimization include thoroughly understanding business processes and requirements before configuring SAP SD. Involving key stakeholders from different departments to ensure alignment and buy-in. Conducting comprehensive testing and training to ensure a smooth transition to the new system. Regularly reviewing and updating master data to maintain data accuracy. Monitoring key performance indicators, KPIs, to identify areas for improvement and optimization. Continuously evaluating and leveraging new SAP SD functionalities to stay up to date with the latest best practices and industry trends. By following these best practices, companies can maximize the benefits of SAP SD, streamline sales processes, and deliver superior customer experiences. Why choose Proexcellency? Proexcellency is a good choice for SAP SD online training because it offers a number of benefits, including expert instructors. Proexcellency's instructors are all experts in SAP SD, with years of experience in the field. They are passionate about teaching and are committed to helping their students succeed. Flexible learning options. Proexcellency offers a variety of learning options, including live online training, self-paced online training, and instructor-led classroom training. This allows you to choose the option that best suits your needs and schedule. Accredited training. Proexcellency's SAP SD training is accredited by the SAP Global Learning Network. This means that you can be confident that you are learning from the latest and most up-to-date information. Real-world projects. Proexcellency's training includes real-world projects that give you the opportunity to apply your skills in a practical setting. This helps you to develop the skills you need to be successful in the workplace. Support. Proexcellency offers ongoing support to its students. This includes access to the instructor, online forums, and a library of resources. This support helps you to stay on track and make the most of your training. Connect with us. +9 18722079509 vertical bar +9 190089068809. Thank you for watching.